Hello guys, today I'm gonna review the St Botanica Pro Keratin Argan Oil Shampoo. As you can see, I have used it completely, so I think I can give you a better and honest review. See, if you're using it alone without any conditioner, it may make your hair a bit frizzy and dry. But if you're using it with the conditioner, it is a good shampoo. I got this shampoo for just 99 rupees because there was an offer going on My Glam site, but actually the cost of this shampoo is 359 rupees. If you're getting it for 99, I can definitely recommend this to you. Now, after using it, I have ordered one more of its kind, that is St Botanica Ultimate Hair Repair. I have been using it for like 10 days only, and after using it I feel like this shampoo makes my hair a bit dry, and other than drying out, you can't use it without conditioner because sometimes it may lead to hair fall as well, and it gives its best result when I use it with the conditioner. Other than that, good thing about it is they use some really natural materials and natural oil in it. That is something good, and that's okay if you're using it if you're using it daily for daily purpose, then it's a good shampoo. So I can recommend it